Hello lifestylers and welcome to Lifestyle with Latasha. In today's video, I'm going to be doing something really exciting and really special. I'm going to be doing a Mother's Day tablescape for Mother's Day weekend. I'm having a brunch. I'm really excited about it. And I want to just welcome you into my home as I prepare this tablescape and get it all ready for my family and friends. So if you're into this kind of material and want to see more of what we're going to be doing on this channel, please hit that like button and most importantly, hit that subscribe button and then hit that notification bell because that will let you know when we've posted something on this channel. So as we're getting ready to get started, I hope you enjoy it. Okay, the first thing that I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show you all of the items that I'm gonna utilize, decor that I'm gonna utilize in today's video. I must admit, there are gonna be some slight changes from what you see here. However, I'll explain to you as I go along. Well, all right, guys, we are ready to get started. And the first thing that I'm going to be doing for this tablescape is I'm going to be utilizing some velour, aubergine placemats that I've had for quite a few years. I just have never gotten the chance to use them. So I'm really excited because with the floral pattern that the Chinaware actually has, it's really gonna pick up the colors and really pop, so I'm excited to use them. The second thing that I'm gonna do is I'm gonna utilize some oversized plates as chargers. These actually are gonna be from Amazon. I will link them down below so that you can get them. And I just love the fact that they're able to accent the plates that I'm gonna be utilizing today. Here they are. Do you see that color in there? You've got the pinks, the blues, the yellow, and I did them in another video where I showed where I unboxed them and what my idea was gonna be for this tablescape. And so you could definitely watch that in that prior video. But I am excited because I'm typically not a floral girl. So this is gonna be me stepping outside of my box and I absolutely love it. Look at the color that's pulling out of there and how pretty that is. And I just wanted something that was really feminine. So I'm really, really thrilled at the way that this is turning out. So also in that video that I spoke of a moment ago, I got these yellow napkins and I unboxed them in that video. And when I tell you, I will probably be buying these forever. They are so soft and so pliable and just able to do whatever you want them to do. I'm going to be utilizing a really simple tablescape napkin place setting for this video because I just thought it was really pretty to kind of do it as a bow to continue that feminine look that I'm looking for. I know in that unboxing video, I had mentioned that I was trying to decide if I was going to be going with the yellow ones or the pink ones that I had coming in. Guys, the pink ones were a disaster. They were polyester and extremely hard to work with. So I decided immediately the yellow was going to be the way to go. And just look at the way they're going to lay. And I just love it. They are so amazing. Yeah, these are going to be my go-tos for sure. So here I'm going to be using some silverware that we have all the time that we utilize. And I think it just pulls out the beautiful colors that are in the white with the plates and all of that. And another thing too is that I actually had the napkin ring holders. They actually came from Amazon. I'll have all of that linked down below. Here I'm putting down my stemware. As you can see, I'm going to be utilizing wine glasses and champagne glasses because we're really going to be celebrating all that motherhood has brought to us and just have a good time. I love the way it's turning out. So here, these are some pieces that I was able to acquire for Christmas as a gift for my daughter from Z Gallery before they closed the local store here in Georgia. But I can tell you, these are still available and they are extremely heavy and they are absolutely stunning. So my daughter actually got me an oversized one, an extra large one, and then she got me the medium. I love them. I just absolutely think they're beautiful. So now, in that unboxing video, I also showed you some faux florals that I got, and I was questioning whether or not I was gonna be able to pull it off and make them look realistic. Well, as you can see in the video in the beginning, I had 3 vases that I was gonna utilize, a rose one and then 2 off-white ones with crosses on them. And I decided to go with these hurricanes, these glass hurricanes, because when I looked at the table, it was a lot of glass on there and I like that look. So I decided to continue on with that see-through. These hurricanes I've had for many, many years, and I'm gonna do something a little different. I'm gonna take some of these faux florals and I'm gonna insert them into the hurricane. I'm gonna have to press them down. You can see me doing that here. And I'm gonna take the purple, the yellow, and then this fuchsia pink color, and I'm gonna put them in there. And then I'm just gonna create a different type of setting by adding water to this and then some candles. Tell me guys, what do you think about this? Because I just thought it was a really good idea just to continue to be able to show all of the color that I was utilizing around the room and break up some of that glass. But I think this is really pretty. So I'm gonna give it a shot and you guys give me a comment down below and let me know what you think. Now to continue the look of what I'm going for, I'm gonna add some tea lights. And you guys, you know you could get these a dime a dozen, but I'm gonna add 3 tea lights into this. Go ahead and light them. And as you know, if you've been watching this channel, I love candles. So they create such an ambiance and it gives such a mood, and I absolutely love it. Here we go. What do you think? Isn't that pretty? Now, am I going to be able to pass off these florals as looking like something that came out of a garden, perhaps? I don't know, but I just think the look is what I was really going for, and I'm really excited for it. Yeah, I like it. Okay, so the final thing that I'm going to add is I'm going to add some actual live florals to the Tablescape. And I got these from the local Kroger. And guys, I thought these were so pretty, and they look just like what I have in the Faux Florals. Let's take a look. Here's the entire room set up. Okay, guys, what do you think? Do you like this? Please, if you're interested in what we're doing on this channel and you like what you've seen so far in this video, please hit that like button. I really would appreciate it. I'm so glad that you're here with me. And if you're a mom out there, I just want to tell you, I'm so excited, and I hope you can do something like this for your family and your friends. And if this is your first time or you've been here before and you haven't done so yet, hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so that you're aware of everything that we're going to be doing on this channel. I love having you be a part of it, and I look forward to more engagement from you guys. It's always a pleasure, and I thank you so much. And as I always say, until next time. And to all those amazing lifestyle moms out there, I hope that you have an amazing Mother's Day. Take care.